Good evening. We're here outside the patio and it's about 11 in the evening. And just want to take a video of the Dama De Noche. It is also known as night blooming jasmine. I already made videos of it before, but it's daylight and the flowers are closed. But I think it's good to take a video of them at night since the flowers are open and it's very fragrant at night. My dad just noticed it, like we haven't been outside like past 8 in the evening, or we just stay inside because it's hot. And my dad went and closed that door right there, and he said that it was really fragrant. It smells so good even in the garage. So I thought, oh yeah, it's the Dama De Noche, and I've been planning to take videos with the open flowers. I could smell it from here. I'm too close. So here's the flowers, and then they close in the daylight. Trying to get a close-up of the flowers, and I'm also using a flashlight here with my left hand. So those are the flowers when they're open at night. It smells so good. Also, it is known as Lady of the Night, but we call it Dama De Noche. I also got seeds of ilang-ilang, and I'm thinking maybe start planting those seeds. I just like to have fragrant flowers in the garden. Also, there's flowers here. It's close to me. I wish I could just like harvest them and put them in a vase or something like that, but then it's gonna be useless since the flowers close at daytime. They only opens at night. It's like the flowers are white and it's star shape. Looks like little stars. There's more here. That's a lot of flowers in here. I wish they could just like smell like this every night. If not at daylight, as at least like every night, the whole year. It's just so peaceful in here. Hope it's always night. And there's moon in here. That's the moon there. Wow. And here's a branch with a lot of flowers. That one right there with the flashlight, it's a young flowers. It hadn't opened yet. It's in a early stage. I wish I could just stay here. Smelling the flowers, it's like being worry-free. Helps to get rid of those thoughts in my head, something like that. It's like a stress-free smell that you get. I don't know the success ratio with like germinating the seeds, but maybe I should try. These seeds had been here for I think since last year, and they're still here. They hadn't fallen off the tree. Okay, that's it. Should better get back inside. Good night.